Is it on? Hey guys, we're at Shake Shack in Paramus. We're gonna try the chicken nuggets. I think I ordered 10 of these and they gave me 7.
Oh my god.
Give me like a 6 out of 10. It's kind of dry. Like my DMs. I try the fries. Give it like a 7. Not that good, but I mean, better than how she treated me. Now I'm gonna try the shake burger. Did that also like 7? You gotta get this root beer, right?
What the hell was that? Oh, did you drink that?
10 out of 10 root beer. Please come here and give them business. Tell them Larry sent you.